Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today's video is about Popup notification app. So after you log into store, go to applications. Then you will see an application called Popup notification. If it is activated, just click on the picture to access the settings. If it's not, click on activate. Then click on the picture and the settings page will appear. At the top, you will have a small preview of the notification, which has a picture of the product, a name of the customer, a text, the name of the product, the city, and the time. All of that we can control it in this settings. So this first part controls the colors. The second part controls the text that appears after the name. This part controls the names, and this part controls the products, then the time and the animation timer, then the position. So we will see all of this in details. First of all, let us change the colors. The background color, you can change it here. I think I like more white. The product name, I will give it, for example, like this color. You can change the colors to match your brand. After that, you can also change the text depending on the gender, either male or female. For example, I'm gonna leave the text as it is. You can add the text you want. Then add names of the customers. For example, I have here a female and a male. For example, a female, let's see Sarah. I'm gonna add just one name. And the male, let's see, for example, we have here many names. You can add as many as you like. Then click on cities here to add cities. For example, New York. Add. Then the products. Here you need to choose the products you want to appear in the pop-up notification. After that, the time. This timer, here is this one that appears down here. So you can choose either minutes, seconds, hours, days. So for example, between 3 minutes, I'm gonna see 1 minute, and max is 5 minutes, for example. Then the animation timer alive. This is when the pop-up notification appears, it will stay alive, or it will stay on the screen for 10 seconds, and it will be hidden for 5 seconds. You can control it as you want. Then the position, either top left, bottom left, top center, it depends on you. Choose, for example, bottom center. When you finish all the settings and the parameters, click on confirm. Then I will click on show store and refresh it. You will see now the pop-up is appearing in the center with all the settings that we have applied. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in other tutorials.